Welcome to another Friday edition of Rough Cuts. It's me, Melvin. This week I thought I would do a scary movie. You may remember it. It's rated R. Night of the Monkey. Everybody remembers the movie. It's about the kid. And it's a Friday night. And his parents go away and they leave him alone to watch the house. And a monkey escapes from the zoo. Here is my favorite scene. It's when the monkey's attacking the kid. Enjoy!
Oh, this is a good seat. I'm gonna throw food at him. Ah! I can't fight him inside. Ah! I'm the extra TV on. Ah!
I got corpses.
Ah! I'm gonna trap him.
Now a special bonus for my loyal fans. I am connected satellite with the actual monkey, Vince Corson. Vince Corson played the monkey. Vince, can you hear me?
What? What?
How was making Night of the Monkey?
It was good. I made a lot of money. I met Coolio. No, Melvin?
What are you doing with your life now? Huh?
I'm just...
What? What? I can't hear you.
Screw you!
Screw you too! Screw you too! Try to do something nice for the Rough Cut community! And for those of you saying I don't take this serious, I just got a monkey hooked up to a satellite! How much more do you want?
Meep, meep, dee-ma-leep, 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 meep, meep, meep.